Okay, type na ko ang mga text like sa column A, name. Then the next column is the locals. Then column C is hours work. Napas man siya. Ayaw mo lang na siyang i-adjust. Then sa column D, calls per hour. Then adjust again. Then last column is the bonus. And then here the name below the column A, row 1, Angos, Penelope. Mirabel. Delia.
Ay, ang garian mo ba? Ay, ang garian mo ba? Uy, tawagan mo siya.
Daw gamong kuan dira ako.
Horacio. So next is the formula. Just type equal. Then the locals. And divide hours work. Then enter. That's the result. Just drag it down.
Ano naman yung drop yung conclusion?
And then the bonus equals per hour. And then times
Mahal din bikir or ka.
1.75 then equals. Then drag down or double click. And then total all the locals, just go to the out sum, then enter, and that's the result. So, na-type naman ako ang mga text. Let's proceed to the function. First, type the equal. Then, click the cost 200. Then, divide 8. And then, enter. After the result, just double click or drag it down to show all the total. Then let's proceed to the total. Just go to the auto sum, then sum, enter.
Wala sa bibili.